And Liebfarth now has got the automatic qualifying, and Zelinska is the next one out. Getting a little tight for Eckhart Stanovska. They're the next ones behind Zelinska, looking for a spot in the final as we see Zuzana Pankova, who was 6th in the C1 final yesterday, 4th in Paris in the C1. Another paddler that's been busy throughout the championships here. Pankova was 3rd in the European Championships.
Pankova is such an exciting young paddler, multi-class athlete. She was inspired by Slovakian legend Jana Dukatova. Pankova has 6 siblings and has always tried to be a role model for them. I think she's done a great job of that.
Perfect conditions for paddling today. The breeze is just a mere zephyr compared to yesterday, where competition, the finals, was brought forward. Challenging conditions for the paddlers. And perfect today. Pankova has to get a little busy. She gets towards the bottom. Chiro's still leading. There's 3rd paddler down. Thought that time of 105.68 was good, and it's proven to be very good. Just her and Hocevar with the 105s. Pankova is going to make those that are sitting on the +2 second line a little more comfortable. Zelinska is the next one, heading down 1.95. Gee, they're finding some time, aren't they, between that last split and the finish? So Zelinska slots into 5th, and that's a qualifier.